Welcome guys! One of the best types of Amazon KDP kids activity book that sell very well on Amazon is dot-to-dot activity books. In this video, I will show you a couple of easy ways that you can create this kind of book with free tools fast. Also, I will give you 5 most popular keywords that you can use for these types of activity book. If you are new to my channel, my goal is to teach you how to make money from Amazon KDP and other print-on-demand sources. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Let's first review the best dot-to-dot activity book on Amazon. Search for dot-to-dot activity book on here. Okay. This book has the lowest bestseller rank on this niche. This book price is almost $8 with 600 reviews. Its bestseller rank on Amazon is 1,847. At first glance, it may seem this book bestseller rank is not as good as other niches that I showed you in the previous videos. But as you can see in this chart, this book reached to even 588 on last 30 days before Christmas and was selling amazing during the December. As you can see here, this book's sale for the last 30 days was 7,519. I'm using Helium X-Ray plugin for this information. Also, as you can see, this book has 107 pages. So based on Amazon royalty calculator, this book profit for each sale is $2.65. You can find a link to Amazon royalty calculator down in the description. Now that we have the profit for each sale and the number of sales for last 30 days, we just need to multiply these two numbers to calculate the estimated total profit of this book in the last 30 days. Okay, as you can see, this book profit for last month was more than $20,000. Although creating a successful book would be hard and could take time and probably advertisement to reach to the first page, but the result is unbelievable. One of the important things that you need to be successful in Amazon KDP is using good keywords. Here I will show you some of the popular keywords that dot-to-dot activity books are using. These keywords are a little bit hard to rank, but if you rank, it would result to a very good sales. Now let's see how we can create a dot-to-dot activity book. Before starting to design a dot-to-dot, we need a base image. You can use any image, but personally I would prefer images with clear outline. You can use pixabay.com to find an image. I'm looking for an animal image, so just open the Pixabay and search for animals. Okay, I think this one seems good for our example. Click on free download and download it with high quality. For the first part, I use a free dot-to-dot tools that simplify the process for you. You can find the link to this website down in the description. First, you need to load your image. Click on Load Image button and select your file. As you can see, it will load your image here. The rest could be easy. You just need to click on the outline of your image to add the dots. It will add the dots with a number beside it. If you make any error, you can easily undo the dots by Undo button. If I click on it, it will remove the last dot. Also, if you want to see what would be the result, you can hide your image by this drop-down list. Just select the hide image from here. As you can see, it will show just the dots. You can also see the dots connected to each other by clicking on draw lines. Let's make the image visible again to complete the dots. If you are not happy at all with the dots location or you just want to start from the beginning, you can use the Clear All button. Okay, I add all the dots and my design is ready to save. Before saving your design, make sure to hide the image. Just select the hide from the drop-down list. Also, you can check the design with lines again by clicking on draw lines. Just make sure to hide the image and lines before saving the final image. For downloading the result, just click on download. That's it. Your first dot-to-dot design is ready. Now you just need to drag it in your Google Slide or PowerPoint and customize your design. I'm trying to use free softwares in this tutorial to show you don't really need Adobe Illustrator or PowerPoint for this type of book. The second way that you can create a dot-to-dot activity book for free is by using Canva. You can find a link to this website down in the description. Creating a dot to dot in Canva is not as easy as previous tool. It will give you some benefits, like you can edit your dot positions later. First, we need to create our number and dot. For dot, you can use just a circle. Just make it small enough to look like a dot. Now, we need to add a number beside it. Just add a text to the page and change the text to a number. Okay, now we need to group them to make sure that they are not moving around. Now that our dot is ready, we need to add the image that we want to design our page based on that. Just drag your image to the page and align it properly. Our process is the same as the previous tool, but instead of clicking to add the dots, we just need to copy our sample dot in the position and change the number to what we want. As you can see, I'm moving the dot to the place that I want, and then I will change the number to the next number, for example, to here. I will repeat this process to complete the page. That's it. This page is ready. You can customize it more, but the dot to dot part is complete. The benefit of using Canva is the fact that you don't need to download each design and add it to the PowerPoint or Google slide. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Until the next video, bye.